Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Oliver and today I want to talk about the Rode Wireless Go. So there's a new one coming out, the Wireless Go 2, and they have a little more options to get like more receivers combined, which right now I don't need. And let's have a look if we can get this one to be opened. Scotch tape. Skeleton. Scotch tape lost. So then, really crazy, this is a paper tear strap. Who likes that sound? I like it. Leave a comment down below. Then you have, oh, that's nice, that's attention to detail. White dead cats. You have this wonderful Rode cable, which you need to connect it. Then you have a USB-C cable, and you have another, sorry, that's an A to C cable and another A to C. Yeah, manual, important, read the manual. And yeah, some absorber was in the other packages also, don't worry. And ta-da, we have like a sound like Peter McKinnon, right? He's also playing. No, he likes the magnets more. But anyways, you can close it, you can open it. And it's like a protective case for your Bose units. So that looks like receiver. And that looks like the mic. Yeah, mic here. And then you can put a lavalier mic inside. So pretty nice. So, but why I bought the white ones? So let me see if I can understand how to put this. Ah, you see? Ta-da! So this is the idea for myself, because when you see me in my other videos, I usually wear a white shirt if I'm working every day. White shirt, black trousers. It's going to be the same for all the time. And yeah, that's why I decided let's go for the white ones. And oh, they are made in Australia. I mean, that's weird. Usually I don't see stuff made in Australia. So yeah, white shirts, white receivers. Let's have a look if that doesn't yeah, come too much into the visibility. If I want to make it even more decent, more discreet, I can still go for a lavalier mic. They also have the white ones and the black ones. But for the moment, I think I'm gonna be happy with this one. I'm gonna try it out first. I'm gonna have a video out later this week, I think, on the Nomadic 15-liter Navigator backpack. And a video on my Horizon 60-liter. The 60 or 65? You will see that later. Because those are my Bose ideas, like one backpack which I want to take with me, but I don't because it doesn't fit my needs. That's why I'm still using the Nomadic travel pack. And on the other hand, you have the wonderful Horizon, which I use for all my tools. And I will also make a short video on how I pack all my tools, I mean power drills and stuff, into my backpack. That's all from my side for today. This was a quick one. If you have any questions to the gear I've shown today, to the Rode Wireless Go here, then just leave me a comment and I will take care, as I said before, and we'll make a new video on this. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and if you really want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. And that's all from my side. Have a great one. See you next time. Bye bye.